Acanthocyte, spur cell, irregularly spiculated red cells with projections of varying length and dense center. Altered cell membrane lipids. Abtalipoproteinemia, parenchymal liver disease, post-splenectomy. Basophilic stippling punctuate basophilic precipitated ribosomes cause stippling, lead. Mebooksfree.com, inclusions, RNA, intoxication, thalassemia. Fine stippling, a variety of anemias. Bite cell, degmacyte, smooth semicircle taken Heinz body pitting by glucose 6-phosphate from 1H spleen dehydrogenase. Deficiency, drug-induced oxidant hemolysis, Burr cell, echinocyte, or red cells with short, crenated red cell evenly spaced spicules. And preserved central pallor. May be associated with altered membrane lipids. Usually artifactual, seen in uremia, bleeding ulcers, gastric carcinoma. Cabot rings circular, blue, thread-like nuclear remnant post-splenectomy, inclusion with dots hemolytic anemia, megaloblastic anemia. Ovalocyte, elliptocyte, elliptically shaped cell abnormal cytoskeletal hereditary elliptocytosis proteins. Howell jolly bodies small, discrete, basophilic, dense. Inclusions, usually single, nuclear remnant, DNA. Post-splenectomy, hemolytic anemia, megaloblastic anemia. Hypochromic red cell prominent central pallor diminished hemoglobin iron deficiency anemia, synthesis thalassemia, sideroblastic anemia. Leptocyte flat, wafer-like, thin, obstructive liver disease, hypochromic cell thalassemia. Macrocyte red cells larger than normal, greater than 8.5 micrometers, well filled with hemoglobin. Young red cells, abnormal red cell maturation. Increased erythropoiesis, oval macrocytes in megaloblastic anemia, round macrocytes in liver disease. Microcyte red cells smaller than, hypochromic red cell normal, less than 7.0 micrometers. Pappenheimer bodies small, dense, basophilic iron-containing sideroblastic anemia, granules siderosome or post-splenectomy. Mitochondrial remnant. Polychromatophilia grayish or blue hue ribosomal material reticulocytosis, often seen in macrocytes premature marrow release of red cells. Rouleaux red cell aggregates red cell clumping by paraproteinemia resembling stack of coins circulating paraprotein. Schistocyte, helmet cell. Distorted, fragmented cell, 2 or 3 pointed ends. Mechanical distortion in microvasculature by fibrin strands, disruption by prosthetic heart valve. Microangiopathic hemolytic anemia, disseminated intravascular coagulation, thrombotic thrombocytopenic. Mebooksfree.com, purpura, hemolytic uremic syndrome, prosthetic heart valves, severe burns. Sickle cell, drepanocyte, bipolar, spiculated molecular aggregation sickle cell disorders, not forms, sickle-shaped, of HBS including S trait. Pointed at both ends. Spherocyte spherical cell with dense appearance and absent. Central pallor, usually decreased diameter, decreased membrane surface area. Hereditary spherocytosis, immunohemolytic anemia. Stomatocyte mouth or cup-like membrane defect with deformity abnormal cation. Permeability. Hereditary stomatocytosis, immunohemolytic anemia. Target cell, podocyte, target-like appearance, increased redundancy of liver disease, often hypochromic cell membrane post-splenectomy, thalassemia, hemoglobin C disease. Teardrop cell distorted, drop-shaped, myelofibrosis, dacryocyte, cell myelophthisic anemia.